So we were discussing if third person singular he, she and it is used in the sentence, then s or es will be added to the base form of the verb. When we look at the examples given, he plays, she plays and it plays. But now what is the general rule to let us know either s or es will be added to the base form of the verb in the cases when he, she and it is there, third person singular. So now the general rule is, if the last letter, when we look at these two words, apply and play, so what is the difference? The common thing is that the last letter is y, but in that the word play, it is preceded by vowel, that is a, e, I, o, u, and in apply it is preceded by l, that is consonant other than the vowel alphabet a, e, I, o, u. So if y is preceded by a, then it will take only s, and if it is preceded by vowel, then y will be changed to I and it will take es. So apply become applies, try become tries, and study become studies. So the same way, when we look at this enjoy, y is preceded by o, that is vowel, and by y is preceded by u, that is vowel. So it will take only s and y retains its position. Then do and does will be used in the interrogative and negative sentences with the present simple tense. So third person singular he, she and it will take does, and I, we, you and they will take do. So now let's look at the examples given. I don't play and do I play, he doesn't play and does he play. Now this is important, that present tense can also be used to indicate future tense verb. Here how? Suppose when you look at these examples, the next train leaves this evening at 5. So it is showing an event that will take place in future, but we are using present simple here. And I'll phone you when I get home. He is meeting Peter in town this afternoon. So we are using either present simple or we are using either present continuous to indicate future tense verb here. So in this one, present continuous, when do we use it? Whenever any future event that is already decided and we know it for sure that is going to take place, then we will use present continuous to indicate future. Likewise, we can use present form to talk about past also in two situations. When we are telling a story to make it more interesting and dramatic, when we look at these examples, well, it's a lovely day and I'm just walking down the street when I see this funny guy walking down towards me. Obviously he's been drinking because he's moving from side to side. So to make any this story more interesting and dramatic, we use present tense to indicate future, to indicate past. So things that the writer experienced in the past, he is using present tense to tell his past events. And another situation, when we are summarizing something that we have read, heard or seen, like I love Ian Rankin's novel. He presents himself as a brilliant detective, but he is always getting into trouble. So now we are telling about his experiences that he has been going through in the past. Even then we are using present tense. So this way we can use present tense for the event that are happening in the present tense, or we can use present tense to indicate future, and we can use present tense for the past also. So this way it can be used in three different contexts. So the exercise on this is given on page number 134 from our Beehive book for class 9. So the exercise is given over there. So that will be your homework based on this entire study of this simple present tense. So